Hi, it's Frank again with OxygenGuy.com, and today we're talking about the Taylor Farms recall, specifically Taylor Farms salad kits recall. Now, so far it's just showing up in Canada, but with this particular salad, it's actually one that we actually have here in the US also. I've seen in the stores. It's a maple bourbon bacon chopped kit. That's what's showing up so far in the recall. And with that being the case, here we are, Taylor Farms. See that there? And I've had their salads before. They're pretty good. See here, but the one in particular that's recalled, and this is in Canada. They're stating sold in British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and Ontario. And then it states also that it may have been distributed in other provinces and territories. So with that being the case, if you'd bought in one recently, I'd check it. The recall in particular is on that type of salad, the maple bourbon chopped kit, size 315 grams, UPC 03022306038 And then the codes are 2021 DE, that's D as in Dad, E as in Edward, 1 1. And let's see here, just checking. Also, there's a TFRSS 328A, but that'll be down in the description also, just in case you want to check later. But something to be aware of. Yes, they're talking about salmonella. So with salmonella, you don't want to play around. If you do have this particular salad, wherever you're at, but more likely it's just in Canada. But I would still check even in the U.S. and such just to be sure. But if you do have that salad with the code and such that'll be in the description, you want to take it back to the store, get your money back, or at the very least throw it away. But preferably get your money back. So with that being the case, be on the lookout. And share this video with your friends. Let them know, just in case, if you know they like to get the salads and such. Never hurts to make sure they're safe as well. And throw a thumbs up there if you'd like. And hopefully everything there is good for you and have a great day. We'll see you soon.